This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we are just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream, and we trade offline as well, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We make no claims of profitability. We are not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Let's get to the charts and trade safe today. Oh, okay. Well, let's start over. I didn't know my mic was off. Okay. Well, I was just looking over the charts. One thing I noticed is that we haven't broken the previous day's high. We haven't taken out the all-time highs. We're stuck down there. And I was saying that Omnius is going to join us, and here he is. He's here already.
Good morning.
Good afternoon. I was just looking over the charts here. I'm already live, just to let you know. And I was just saying that we didn't break the previous day's high, and we didn't take out the all-time highs. So it's a good thing we didn't hang around and wait for that. Because we would still be waiting. Did you eat? Is my mic off? Let's do a sound check. I'm working. Omnius?
No, you're muted. I told you gotta wait 30 seconds after the stream starts.
We're both good.
Remember I told you that?
I do.
Okay. This off,
I
this
do.
off, this on.
That's there. I remember.
We got this here.
Okay, I'm ready to trade.
Back in the saddle.
I feel like I'm gonna make $10,000 today.
Looking to make $1.50.
Let's see. You know what I'm going to do, though? I am going to enable my strat, because I think now my strat's going to kill it. Ooh, and look at that. We might be getting a trade very soon. So, enable. And Renko levels. And that's it. Let's take a look at the Renkos. Renko. Higher time frame long. Shorter time frame long. Apex Renko's long.
feel like I'm struggling to hurry up and get there before the market opens.
No, take your time. Take your time. Take your time. I used the same thumbnail as you.
Seen that?
Oh, you did? Yeah, yeah. Think about it. Now there's two of them. Isn't that impressive? Someone goes to the home page, sees two of them. Oh, yeah, you're right. I forget about that. What do I need? Actually, the first trade that the bot will take, if it does take a trade, will be along. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, we can get along. Oh, it's true. There's no filter yet. Okay, no, definitely it'll be along.
Yeah, go along, go along.
It'll be along. Let's see if I go to the YouTube homepage. I'd be so curious. I'll take a screenshot of that if it's actually open. Link in new tab. People will be confused. No, Sparky. I didn't eat. You know why I didn't eat? Oh, it's true.
Why didn't you eat?
I had a few spoons, but my daughter said she wants pizza tonight, so I'm saving my appetite.
Oh, goodness. No pizza.
Yeah. Still in a bad mood, just to let you know. But let's see if the bot
You're
can
just
put me
trying
to
to
good.
butter it up so you can have pizza. Oh, I'm in a bad mood. I gotta eat pizza.
Yeah, bad mood, good mood. It's all a good excuse.
You woke up thinking about that. You're like, how am I gonna get pizza today? Maybe if I tell everybody I'm in a bad mood.
You're looking for a long too? Sure, why not? Everything.
Right now I'm trying to find futures, floor, or omnius trades. I don't see either one.
Oh, they're both there. Look how adorable that is.
You see it? I don't see either one of them.
Yeah, I got them both. You're above me, though.
We don't even show up in the feed.
Yeah.
We're non-existent.
Yeah, Tory Trades was supposed to go live. Oh, no. Sorry. No, that's the 14th. Sorry.
Yeah, we are non-existent. Coach Fred, good morning. Good afternoon, whatever it is.
Whatever it is. It's the afternoon. Look out your window.
Looks like daylight to me.
Yeah, it's the afternoon. Coach Fred, what's up? Just letting you know Omnia stole my relaxing out on the balcony. Just saying.
I prefer to always call it morning. It's morning till it's bedtime.
Oh, why are we not long?
I am mourning the fact that I'm not sleeping.
There we go. The bot is long, officially. Yeah, no, I'm gonna take it easy after this. I need a bit of a break. Look, I told you, I went till late night last night working on the computer.
Yeah.
I don't even remember anymore. 2, 3, 4, whatever. I know I got 2 hours sleep. That's all I know. Full trust in the bot. Yeah, let's see. I think it's going to do well now. I really think it's going to do well now.
Coach Fred, you looking for a long, short? What are you looking for?
We got low volatility, so
Looking for a long.
only 6-point average range. That's ideal conditions for my bot right now.
I got 9. ATR.
You got 9, I got 6.
Yeah, but you said yours faster,
6.
didn't you?
Yep, 6. Only the last 6 bars.
Okay. Makes sense.
The bot will get out
for a few points since this AM. Was able
at
to
about
finally
32.
pass funded net. Haven't been contemplating real direction yet.
Ooh, look at that. First trade for the bot. I don't know if you saw it. That was a nice one.
What am I looking for?
Now we're short.
Why are we short?
That's the bot. I'm an active scalper.
You are an active scalper.
That's how I code him.
So now we're going back up to test this high again. What, 1, 2, 3, 4 times? And I think we break it. Try that all-time high.
Yep. It is a possibility. I agree. Now that it's the afternoon, I think we can see a run at the all-time highs. But first we have to get over the previous day's previous day's high. And we have to
get above it and hold it.
First we have to take a profit on my short here, on my bot. My bot's going to clean up now, guys. I'm telling you, I know how it's coded. And in a low volatility environment, it's going to kill it.
We got faith.
I do.
What are you guys working on account-wise, Bull and Ox? Bull and Ox eval, Bull and Ox funded.
Me? How long you got? Bullinox, daytraders.com, Top Step, My Funded Futures, Apex, and there's one more I can't even remember. I think actually...
Go ahead.
No, I was just going to say, I think the other one more is Apex, because Apex I have Wealth Charts and Tradeovate. Oh, look at this beautiful trade on the short, eh? You guys need to watch the replay on that. The up and the down.
Coach Fred, I also have a personal account with AMP Futures.
I am copy trading, just to answer you there. And you know what? I was using the copy trader with Apex. The Apex trade copier, getting slaughtered. Having my head taken off with all the errors that it would make. It would even go long and short at the same time, even though it was the trade copier. Anyways, long story short, Wealth Charts is phenomenal. It is trade result copying, not trade copying. So basically it matches almost to the penny. It's not as good as Top Step X, which also trade result copies. Top Step X, it's always right to the penny. But today I trade copied. I think I took about 15 trades. Maybe a little bit less. I was off by $1 between the two accounts. Who are you
using the Wealth Charts with? Is that Bull and Ox?
Apex.
Apex, okay.
Yeah. Bull and Ox is...
Coach Fred, no confidence in trade copying. Well,
yeah,
maybe you have a pro account and you do like one pro account, one eval. Good way to work on evals. Maybe you're not necessarily copy trading all your pro accounts or funded or whatever.
I'm going to jump in here and see if you know the difference between the trade copiers and the trade result copiers. There's a huge difference.
Well, you've been telling me about the Top Step or whatever.
Yeah, a trade result copier is completely different. It doesn't copy... going through all accounts, I got too many.
Too scared. Got too many setups in a day.
Another one with too many setups.
Tend to overtrade, going through all accounts. Yeah, it's kind of a balancing act, right? Like you don't want to. If I just trade one at a time, I tend to overtrade. But then if I copy trade too much, it tends to mess with my psychology. So I either like to have it in groups.
Yeah.
Or, yeah. mainly in groups.
That's it exactly. That's the key for me also.
Don't want
Break
to
it.
copy trade too many. I don't put a lot of faith in copy traders. I
Don't.
actually have on my Ninja Trader, I have it up where it tells me any orders. So anytime I have any orders open, pops up on my screen. That way, if the copy trader doesn't get me out or one of the bots doesn't get me out properly, I also use bots to bot trade. So sometimes I'll manually trade or I'll have the bot trading, go back and forth.
Nice. There we go.
Whatever the
Booyah.
market conditions are telling me. Did groups on Apex? Yeah, just like, you know. Nice call out on that short over there.
Yeah, that was a good one. Yeah, no, I learned my lesson already. I'm never gonna copy all the accounts because then you may long. So, Coach
What?
Fred, you talking about overtrading?
Yeah. Yeah, Coach Fred, Mike's over there at Futures Floor. He's a active scalper. Coach Fred, what do you like using? You like a trend strategy, counter trend? Obviously, you said scalping. Coach Fred said, "No worries. Haven't seen anyone more degen than him."
No, that's not degen. This one, it's a 3-lot, and 2, it's
Both
the bot.
with and against the trend.
No. It's the bot is solid. It's not a degen bot.
No, talking about degen trading.
Yeah.
No, him. He wasn't talking about you. This time.
Okay.
Not this time.
He
He said, "Than me, Mike."
This is both with and against the trend. No worries, that's anywhere.
So I find that if I try to go with and against the trend, I tend to look at the market one way or the other, and then it kind of just confuses me what I'm trying to do. So I try to only stay with the trend, but sometimes it gets difficult. Yeah. Sometimes you see a trade and you're like, "Oh man, look at that trade." Right? And you get that big hammer candle on the 5-minute or something.
Wow.
Like, how do you resist? Jose, good afternoon.
What's up,
We
guys?
actually
Still
stopped streaming, Jose, and then we decided we had a little bit of time, so we decided to jump back on for a little bit. Might not be too long, maybe 45 minutes or so.
Yeah, 5-6 hours max.
See who all's hanging out in the afternoon. Who knows? Maybe we can get people together and I can talk Mike into some afternoon streaming. If y'all would like that.
Rock, paper, scissors for afternoon streaming or evening streaming. No, I'm good with it all, man. I like it. I
gotta go all the way to Canada. It's like a 20-hour drive to kidnap him just to stream with me for an hour.
Yeah, today you had to twist my arm.
I might have even said please. I think I was like, please.
Hey, never. That's not even in your vocabulary.
I say please sometimes. One of those times is when I'm trying to get my daughter to stop crying. Golly. And the other time has something to do with the wife. You'll just have to figure that out on your own.
See, now that was clean.
Coach Fred working on being more nimble against the trend. Holding short since 19, trying to hold. Yeah, I'm starting to like the shorts. Terrible holding trades though.
Okay. It's okay. It'll come back.
Trailing the trade. Yeah, I think that's the way to do it. I think Jose likes those long trades too. Seen one on his channel. I'm envious that y'all can hold trades like that.
The bot was break even in the morning, just if anybody's curious. So far for the afternoon session, it's up. Well, it closed for 116 in profit, but now it's, as you can see, it's holding an $80, $70 unrealized loss. Let's see what it does for the hour. Anything I can take?
Take whatever you want.
I'm looking. If we get a little bit lower, I can have a short potential setup, but it's a long way away. Yeah, I think the afternoons, we're looking here. Actually, the volatility picked up a little bit. It's 8 points now. Before it was 5. I was going to say it's going to be like the evening session. You're going to be lucky if you get one setup. Me, I'm going to, not my bot. Me, I'm going to be lucky if I get one setup. One decent setup.
I don't know. Sometimes I feel like the afternoon's weird. Like sometimes you don't get anything, then sometimes you just get setup after setup. I don't know.
Well, my bot just took a $40 loss and flipped short.
Coach Fred trailed out 10 points. I like 10 points.
Actually, it shouldn't. I see it. If I had filtered, it wouldn't have taken that loss. Where am I? Do I have an account to trade? Let me open something.
Y'all
I
kind of
didn't
trading
open it.
sideways.
Yeah.
Been sideways since what? 11 o'clock.
Let me take it for a 2-lot.
You guys still do the evenings? Mike does. I have small kids. So I don't know. It's kind of hard to be running around the house screaming. Even though our house is like an L shape, like they have the whole other side of the house. Anybody else have that problem? Like, hey, y'all know we got a whole nother side to our house? Does anybody know that? Never enough space. Never enough doors. It's funny was we moved into our house and we was like, oh, we're gonna open it up, make it more open arrangement. Maybe move this room here and move this room here, so it's just all open space. Then we had kids and we're like, we need more doors.
More doors. We need more locks.
What's that old saying? To have a privacy fence makes great neighbors.
Yeah.
Lots of doors makes for a happy family. I told him I was going to put up another wall right here beside me. I'm going to put up a wall here, keep y'all out.
Hey. What is this? Oh. Yeah, Top Step took. Oh, you know what? Did I mention Top Step in my buffet of accounts?
I don't think so.
I don't think so either.
Jose, what you trading today? Bitcoin or Forex? Gold. I think you like gold also.
I used to like gold. Still like it, but I don't trade it anymore. I found Bitcoin easier to trade with the same move. Actually, more bang for your buck.
Bitcoin.
But I stopped looking at it. I don't know. I was getting too confused following too many things. And I think, with all the accounts and then all the different systems and setups and Bitcoin in here, you got to trade in Bitcoin, and then I can't watch the NQ, and it was getting a little sloppy. So for now, I'm focusing.
AI music. What's on right now? I don't actually listen to that music, so I don't know what's currently playing. Future's on Fire. Yes, that's a AI song made by Suno. If it makes you headbang, it's an AI song that I created on Suno. If it don't make you headbang,
it's a song that Mike made on Suno.
Well, I have a few songs that don't make you headbang. I got the
Wheels on the Bus Go Round and Round.
No, I got the opening song, the Futures.
Yeah, that's true.
The closing song. I got a few songs. I need to come out with an
album,
an Omnius album created by AI.
Is my mic on? Yeah, it is.
No, you're muted.
I had it muted before. Okay, well, I'm watching my bot lose, and I decided to take it in one of my PAs also. I'm going to make a call.
Coach Fred, what kind of music you like? Dance music, electronic, rock, country?
Spanish
music, elevator music. Mike, you into Spanish music, right?
Yeah, I like Spanish music. I like Latin music.
Latin and Journey.
And Journey. Yeah, everyone likes Journey. Even you like Journey. You just won't admit it.
I told you I like Journey. I mean, I think they're a good band. I don't know any of their songs. If you're like, hey, what's 5 Journey songs? I'll be like, I don't know. What's one?
What's one? Yeah, that's it. What's one? That's one of them. It's called What's One.
Okay, well, I guess one, huh?
Give me a sec.
Trying to push back up. It's not really getting much of a momentum going, huh? I guess. Like I said, kind of going sideways. I mean, we're getting movement, but kind of bouncing back and forth here. Yeah, Coach Fred, I try to put in a variety of music into what plays on stream, and I try to keep it into the background so it doesn't really bother people. Figure most people listen to their own music over top of it. I know if you're on the phone, it tends to be a little bit louder, compressed. That way, if somebody's out and about, they're on the phone or something, got a little bit of music playing, or somebody's watching the replay, got a little bit of music playing. Oh, that's the food fight song. I like this one. Let me eat mine. Wait, where'd it go? There it is.
Okay, I'm back.
We're listening to the food fight song.
Yeah. I'm not putting it on. If I put it on, I get a copyright strike. How did
My
I
kids
do
love
on
this song.
MFFU
Somewhere in
today?
there it says hit the principal in the face with a pie.
Oh, wow. MFFU 197 today. That's pretty good. I'm happy with that.
Maybe I'll email the principal the song.
Don't forget to smash the like button. I did already.
What do you think,
Oh.
Mike? Email the principal the song or what?
Yeah, sure. Why not? What's the worst he's going to do or she's going to do? Slap you on the wrist with a ruler? What are you going to get?
She'd probably say, huh? Wouldn't expect nothing less from this guy.
It's true. You're the gong guy.
That was right there. I hit him in the face with my sweet potato pie. All right, back to my music. What you doing over there? You sleeping?
Me? No, I'm trying to get, you know how you have that little thing there, live now with Futures Floor? I typed in exclamation mark OT, but it just gave your link. It
That was
didn't. And I changed it to OT, Omnius Trades.
Why?
O stands for orgasm.
Oh my goodness.
There's no more O. O has been removed. Keeping the channel clean. Oh, Lord.
You don't like to make the girls orgasm?
You just can't talk about it on the channel. Oh, did it work?
Talk about what?
Holy shit! It worked!
It is O.
Yeah, I thought I removed it.
Leave it as O. O's for orange.
No. That's just a coincidence. That's just my that's a message I have. That's just a coincidence. Try it again. You'll see it won't come back.
Yeah, just leave it as O. O's for orange.
Okay, O's for... Oh, no. Look, it worked again. You're right. Really? Let me go change that.
Nah, leave it as O.
Oh, yeah, I will. I just want to go see that it's there. I can't believe I was sure I removed it.
That's what the girls said. They said, oh.
Oh, you know, you don't mean my memory, yeah? Sure, I removed it. Commands. Yeah, O and OT. They're both there. Okay, perfect. OT is a short one, just the link, direct. I wasn't sure if the longer message would work.
Oh, still looking for longs?
Let's try out the link and see what happens, just out of curiosity.
Coach Fred, you get back in for a long, or? I know you took the short down here.
Oh, 404 not found. No good.
Nowhere right now. Yeah, there's a lot of sideways. I think patience sometimes is the key. I think the market wants to go long. It's just a matter of finding a good entry. Really, I think we want to shoot up and take out this all-time high. It might be
But
next week.
yeah,
I don't know. You think we could take an all-time high on a Friday?
I don't know, but the bot went long, so let me reverse. Take out an all-time Friday? Yep, that's most likely what's going to happen, I would say. That sounds like a Friday, a typical Friday. Take out the all-time high, make people chase, and then slam it down. And then next week, push it lower for maybe a day or two, and then go and take out the all-time high for real, and then run.
Coach Fred, when you normally trade? Just entered. When you normally trade? In the morning, the afternoon, evening? Trade all day. That's a true trader right there.
Mm. It's tiring.
Well, I think as traders, we trade off and on all day, right?
Okay, the link is working. Goes direct. Direct. It's a direct link.
Are you sure?
Mine is. Holy shit. What the hell happened?
Hey. Language.
I get a lot of Tori Trades thumbnails or whatever. I guess I watch a lot of her videos. Okay, let's see. Can we get a move up?
Sent you a message on TikTok. It'll go through.
TikTok or Discord?
TikTok.
I don't have TikTok.
None of my stuff seems to work today. What the heck was that?
That was my... Oh, wow, there's a Corey Trades too.
I think it went through now.
Yes, you can come over if we have pizza.
I do like pizza. We need like a list of people's like 3 favorite foods. I don't know what mine would be. I know pizza would be one of them. Not really favorite foods type of guy, but pizza's going to be in there. Probably pizza, hamburgers. I don't know what third would be.
You're going to be happy. Let me take a... Is my mic on? Yeah, it is. Let me take a... I just took a screenshot for you. I don't know how to get it to you, though, because it's on my laptop. I'm doing my best. I'm disorganized, guys. Bear with me. Trade all day. Yeah, Coach Fred. I saw you in the morning. We were in Luna's chat. He was talking about Top One with their new account. Sounds interesting. I like it. What was that thing he was calling it? The trade equity score or the trade balance score? For the way I trade and the kinds of returns that I bring in, my average losing day, my average winning day, it sounded really good for me. You know, someone that trades like me doesn't have huge winning days and doesn't have huge losing days, just grind slowly up. For $130, just go straight into straight to funding on a 50K account or 120.
You said Luna thinks everybody's a scam.
Uh,
I've been seeing a lot of that going around, Coach Fred. Like everybody's talking about everybody's scamming.
no, but he was talking about that account with enthusiasm. He was recommending it. He had, I think, a code for it. I'm not sure. I was working and listening at the same time. I was coding, but
Is everybody really getting scammed?
you know, I'm not sure he didn't know at what time the CPI was getting released. I'm sorry. You shouldn't be laughing. I shouldn't be laughing at that, but you know, like it's always 8:30. Maybe he didn't know that the CPI was being released. Maybe he knew what time, he just didn't know what. I've been guilty of that too, when I don't know what's oops, sorry about that. I don't know what's going to be released, but I do know what time. I know what time, but I don't know what.
Generally, I have a news thing on NinjaTrader, and it only makes a sound. Sometimes when I forget, it don't work as good as it used to, but sometimes when I forget, I'll hear the ding. I say, whoa, what's that? We got news?
Hello? Give me a second. I've got a call.
Yeah. He said at what time CPI released? Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, nice winner on the bot. Way to go. On the bot. But the bots. Oh, no, the bot's up slightly. We recovered the 2 losses. You know the bot runs on the 5-second chart, eh?
Does it? I didn't know that.
Yeah, this bot is running on the 5-second chart. I'm testing it. Okay, we'll get out. We'll see. The next trade's going to be short in the bot. I don't know when. He starts early, eh, Luna? Told you I got out of bed at 6:30.
You're streaming?
Well, I took my shower. I came out at 7, 6:40, 6:55, whatever. Opened up the computer, and yeah, he was streaming.
Was there a lot of people on there?
When I saw it, it was one person in there. But by the time I clicked in, there was 7.
Oh, well, sometimes it just doesn't display properly.
Yeah. Luna. But I've seen him early on in the morning. He starts early. He's another one who's saying he's not getting enough sleep. He needs to sleep more, get his sleep schedule more organized. Mine's horrific.
I feel like you just feel better all day. Every now and then I'll get that good night's sleep, and I'm like, man, I just feel so much better.
He's in paradise. He's in Costa Rica.
South America. Luna's in South America?
Costa Rica.
Look, I don't even remember geology in school.
I don't know where it is either, but I know it's beautiful there, and I'd love to go there. But you can't complain. You're in the South also.
Well, I mean, I'm a long way from South America.
No, but you're in the South. You got good weather. I mean, here we're already, we're going down to 50, 60 degrees already.
Really?
Yeah.
Still summertime where I'm at.
I'm used to cold weather. I couldn't even sit outside for a meal the other day. It was too cold.
outside. I couldn't stop sweating.
I take that any day. It's so much better because you can still go out. I'm not a winter guy. I'm not a snow
You can
guy.
put clothes on.
Yeah, nah, it's not the same. It's not the same. It's not pleasant. It's not pleasant to be all dressed up and have a drink outside on a terrace. They do it, and they have these big heaters and stuff, but it's not the same thing. You still feel the cold air.
Yeah, but I mean, you can have a nice bonfire, have a fires going, torches.
Sounds beautiful.
Put your jacket on.
It does. It sounds great. One time, twice.
One time.
But not regularly, It's much more pleasant to be on a summer day, sit by the beach, you have this ocean spray hitting you in the face, you're having a drink. At least that's the way I imagine it.
Yeah, where do I find that place?
That's the way I imagine it.
It must be out in the Bahamas or something. The beaches are so overcrowded. So many rules there now. Can't even hardly have fun anymore.
Hey, I'm still reeling from this Ron DeSantis news you told me about, that rule with the no access to those sites. Doesn't make sense. How do you go from being so free-minded, no rules in one aspect, and then have such tight controls on another?
They got tight controls on just about everything.
Nah, come on. COVID, no masks, no mandates, no vaccines. It was paradise in Florida. The whole world was going there.
Is that what they told you?
Come on, serious? What do you mean, is that what you told me? That wasn't real?
Well, I mean, they were fighting back and forth. I mean, nobody anywhere can tell you that you have to take a vaccine. I mean, you have to wake up and think in a mindset of freedom.
Absolutely. They didn't force you to take a vaccine. They just over here, they limited what you were able to do. We had vaccine passports. You had to check in every time you went into a store, a pharmacy, a restaurant, anywhere. You couldn't go anywhere.
Or what?
Or you didn't get in.
Rebel, man.
Yeah, rebel. Yeah, you rebel. I don't have my
said freedom's scary, deal with it.
You know who rebelled? The people in New York. They kept their businesses open and they got cleaned out. Millions of dollars in legal fees.
In Canada, they had I remember the truck driver protest.
Yeah.
And I remember where your king or whoever he is sent in people with horses to run a bunch of people over.
Yeah.
I think they stomped on some grandma or something. Then beat up a bunch of truck drivers and stole their trucks.
Yeah, they did a lot of wrong things, in my opinion, also.
I remember that. What is the Sanchez banning website?
The good websites.
Really kind of any website with any kind of nudity.
Do I want to take this long?
Any kind of adult site. I guess that's the better word, right?
Yeah.
You should have told me that one to begin with.
Yeah, adult. That's a good one.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see if I can catch a little bit of a move here also to the upside.
And then they passed a bunch of laws. They just passed a bunch of laws on AI pictures and stuff.
Yeah, well, what you said about Grok, what Grok did, that's scary. Because it's not even voluntary. I mean, it's like an error. It's a computer error.
Mm-hmm.
Let's go. Push. Let's get a push going. What are we at? The volatility 5.69. There's not going to be any pushing. Well, my bot
Coach Fred, the thing with the AI is you tell the AI something, but that doesn't mean that's what the AI is going to do. Yeah, price movement's been crappy. Yeah. If you tell the AI, so I don't mean that's what the AI is going to do. The AI does what it wants. And then if you read the laws and stuff, then they're so vague. Just imagine somebody coming to your house, you know, because you told the AI something, it did something else.
Come on, push now.
As far
Do
as the
nice
websites,
push for us.
I
Yes.
believe in I'm more of a freedom-oriented person.
Yeah, that was nice.
So I think we should have freedom of choice. I don't think other people should impose their will on each other.
Mm-hmm. PM has been so crappy recently. Actually, even last week, the AM, we were having some crazy sideways days. You remember them?
Mm-hmm.
I think it was last week or 2 weeks ago. Those were some insane days. Very hard to trade.
Because we're still around the all-time high. And really, it does this every time we get around the all-time high.
Mm. Dave, you done? You calling it?
No.
Oh, no? You're going back even with such low volatility?
Yeah, I'll probably stay till around 3.
Mm. Megan wants pizza for supper today. It's good?
From where?
I don't know. Wherever. Papa John's, Costco,
I don't like Costco, man.
Domino's, Pizza
Anywhere
Hut.
else, I don't care as long as it's anywhere else besides Costco.
Yeah.
I don't like Costco.
Been kind of sideways for the past 2 months.
Has it really? I thought we were going up. Let me take a look at the daily.
You go back
Yeah,
to,
I see it. I see it. I see it. Yep. 8/5, August 5th. Yeah, you can even go back to
You can even go all the way back to the beginning of July. Finally broke. So you can say July 17th, we finally broke that resistance.
On the other hand,
Came
it
up,
is
drop back to it again, and another time.
higher lows,
Yes. Well,
and we just
I
broke
think the last dip was equal lows, right?
Yeah, well, we just broke the previous swing high. I don't know. Markets look strong to me.
They do.
Markets look strong.
I'm just saying the reason for the
the stall
movement in the market is because we're at all-time highs.
Yep.
Every time we get up to all-time highs, we get that kind of crappy.
Actually, if you look at the daily, doesn't it kind of resemble the way we're pushing up against the all-time high? Doesn't it kind of resemble the way we pushed up against the today's previous day's high? I know Joker sometimes he looks at that. He looks like at a higher time frame and then transposes the same activity onto a lower time frame chart.
Mm-hmm. I think we want to break the all-time high, and this is yesterday we attempted it, so this is the second day we've attempted.
Yeah. $22.50. Wow. Bot went long at $22.50 and I went long at 25. I got a poor fill.
Still thinking long. We got higher lows, higher highs.
Yeah. I kind of feel.
Just look at all these wicks, though. What's going on?
Yeah, well, no movement. Goes up 4 points, comes down 4 points, goes up 7 points, comes down 3 points. No continuation, no follow through. Oh, by the way, I did the laundry yesterday.
You did laundry? What about the taxes? Do the taxes?
I did all the taxes. I did everything. There were 3 things that needed to get done. I got all done today. I sent her, I just sent her a text and I told her it's all got done. Had to do with my brother. And they all got done.
Mm.
Okay, let's go. Cool. Bot's doing I'm doing not really. I'm just making up losses, but still, I'm happy. But the
At
bots,
some point in life, when you get done making up the losses, you start making gains.
yeah, small losses though. Just dipping my toe in the water on the PA account with the bot. Not sure
I
if
thought you were going to say, just dipping my toe in the water with piranhas.
But I don't think I want to trade it on a PA account. I trade it on evals, but not on a PA. It's not in my comfort zone because it does go through. It could potentially go through a large drawdown.
Mm-hmm.
It actually doesn't have a stop. It requires a push in the other direction to get out, and then it reverses. So if you catch a runaway market, you can get really stung. Well, I mean, intelligently, no. Just set your account with a PDLL and you hit your PDLL for the day. That's what I want to see. I mean, if it can pull out $100, $150 days, 8 out of 10 days with a 3 lot, have one small losing day and one PDLL day, something like that, that would be good. And on the 5-second chart, it's hard to get a runaway day on a 5-second chart. There's always a bit of a bounce. On a 1 minute, you can get a slow grind up. But even a slow grind up on a 5-minute chart, you get what looks like a retrace, and it'll take it out. I showed you the way the chart is. You want to see it again? Just out of curiosity? What it looks like?
You trying to show me your chart?
Yeah. This is the 5-second chart. Look the way it draws the...
My mama don't let me look at other people's charts.
You can look. That's the way it draws the bars. Completely different. You know, catches the momentum. But, like I said, you know, if you catch a little bit of a runaway... Oh, it's counter trend. So this is it's... When it turns green, it's selling. When it turns red, it's buying. That's why we're long over here now, when it turned red.
All right.
Yeah. So, that's why it's flipping back and forth so often. Anyways. It's a work in progress. That's the best I can say. Did you take anything? You took one trade?
I took one now. It's not looking that great.
I can't even guess which way. Not looking that great. Short. You went short. Did you chase?
No, I went long.
Oh, yeah? Okay. Well, we just got a pop there.
Mm-hmm. I think it's really just like going back and forth,
Yeah,
beating
it is.
everybody up, taking everybody's stops.
You remember I told you a few times I have a rule under 10 points. Be careful with your trading. Not you, me.
Mm-hmm.
For the average range. Under 7, close it up. You know, we're at 6 now. We were at 5 before, so don't expect too much. And that day when I was really fighting the market and just kept swinging the bat, hoping that it would break, that day it was at 5 points, the range. I paid the price. I mean, not too bad, but I think I had 2 PDLLs hit, 2 $300 losses or 2 $200 losses. Some accounts have 50K PDLLs, $300 PDLLs, but the majority have 190.
Real quick, I got about 5 more minutes. Anybody wants to talk about anything or what's going on in the next 5 minutes? get you back to your was it the beauty nap or was it hanging out on the patio or something?
Patio. I gotta see the weather though. I didn't really look what it is today. Yesterday was cold. The day before was cold. It's unseasonably cold. Wow, we didn't use our pool almost at all this year.
I was gonna say just go out there and sit on the patio naked, but not if it's cold.
No. That'll be a George Costanza moment. If you're a Seinfeld fan, you remember when he came out of the water, he was changing his bathing suit. The girl walked in on him. She looked at him and made a face. He goes, "The water was cold." No, you don't understand. Explain, Jerry. Explain to her. It's crazy. All the kids, my kids too, ended school like around this time, 2:30. You know, when I went to high school, I ended at 4 o'clock, and twice I had what they call the late day, twice a week, and it ended at 6 o'clock. That was high.
For some
was
reason,
high
for
school.
some reason
Yeah, high
in
school.
Florida, they made it to where all the high school kids got to go to school late.
Mm,
And I think this year they ended it.
yeah, it was
For
high
some
school.
reason, they had high schools going to school at like 9 o'clock or something.
I think we were the only school. Oh, I hated my parents for sending me there. The only school that ended so late. We'd be coming home in the winter. It was dark outside. You know how depressing that is? You're in class and it's getting dark outside.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's what they were doing here for. I think I did it for like 2 or 3 years.
Oh, no kidding.
And then, because they said that the teenagers needed more sleep.
Mm.
Like, you think they're going to sleep more just because they get out of school late?
Oh, maybe they started later.
Yeah, they started later.
Oh, no, we didn't start later. We started at 8 in the morning. It was brutal.
You go 8 to 6?
Yep.
That's not school. That's a prison camp.
It was brutal. But it made me know how to study really well. Made me, I don't know what's the word to use, but after when I went to university, and here we have CJEP, I don't know what you guys call it, college, maybe. Oh no, your college is our university. Yeah, well, we have two. You guys go to high school later than us, and we have something, we end high school earlier, and then we call it CJEP, which is like college, and then we
Well,
have
you got
university.
The regular community college, and then you got the university, right?
No, it's pre-university. You can't get into university straight from high school, so it's kind of like a continuation from high school. But you leave the high
Right,
school,
right.
you go to.
Community college.
Okay, yeah, no, I don't know. I thought community college is just a replacement for university.
Like a AA degree.
Okay, yeah, and you get that, and then
Pretty
you
much
move
to go to
on.
university, you got to have AA.
Okay, yeah, I didn't know that. Yeah, I breezed through it. I didn't even go to most of my classes. I would just go in the beginning, get the outline, when the exams were, and I would just teach myself. That's what the brutal high school. It made me very competent. I liked school, but I liked the maths. I liked anything that was scientific. I didn't like anything that was subjective, like economics or marketing, anything that required essays for the final exam and for the for the, not the presentations, for the assignments. I wasn't into that.
That's the way my son is. He loves math. He loves science. Hates spelling.
Mm-hmm. Well,
like
because
that.
it's not subjective. 1 + 1 is 2. Teacher can't argue with you. But a lot of these essay questions and stuff, you're dealing with teacher's opinion also. Yeah, there's the book, but there's also the teacher's opinion. And your writing style and wasn't for me. Beautiful campus, though, where I went. Oh, loved it. Old school. You know, it was, they took over, I guess, a huge convent. So it had such atmosphere, you know. You walk on the wood and you smell the old wood. The floors creaked.
I thought Ruin and Skeletor might show back up, but guess they doing other stuff.
Well, Ruan right now, it's like 10 o'clock at night, I think. But then again, he shows up sometimes at 6, 7, 8 p.m., so I don't think he sleeps. I think Ruan means vampire.
Probably like us. Don't sleep through the night. I mean, if I knew one of my favorite streamers was on at 4 in the morning, I'd probably get up and go watch him too.
He's a young guy, though.
Is he?
I think so. I think he's a young guy. Ooh, I was panicking. I thought I was losing money, but that's the bot. If you want to stay on stream, I can go pick up your kids today. It'll only take me 20 hours. I'll give you a break. I'll give you the day off.
Hopefully you left 20 hours ago.
Yesterday. This short should work out. It was on the right side of the filter. Yeah, I'm going to add in the filter today. That'll be it. After that, it should be ready to go. Let me just try the envelopes. Hey, remind me to send you that image.
What image?
Oh, I took a screenshot. Want to show you something?
You want me to look at it now?
No, I didn't. I got to figure out how to transfer it. It's on my laptop, and
Oh, okay.
I don't know. My laptop's funky. It's very hard to move stuff over from my laptop to my cell phone or my computer. There is one way left. No, it's not Teams. I used to use Skype, and that Skype's no more.
All right, homie.
Email. Maybe that's the way. Yeah. Okay. We'll cut it here. And you want to close up? Say the goodbyes.
Yeah.
Say the thank yous.
I gotta be out the house in like 3 minutes, 4 minutes. Good?
Okay.
Guys, appreciate everybody hanging out. If y'all want us to stream more in the afternoon like this, let us know. I mean, we're always looking for input, and if more people are interested in the afternoon, let us know. Or in the evening, let us know what y'all want.
Yep.
So we can work out. Appreciate
Sounds
everybody
good.
hanging out. See everybody tomorrow morning.
Exactly. I agree. And we'll see you guys tomorrow morning.
Are you
Thanks.
streaming tonight?
No, I'm done.
Okay.
Yeah,
Guys,
I'll
goodbye
start
tomorrow.
next week. Take care. Bye.
Appreciate everyone.